In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate forms into your Shopify store using a handy application from the Shopify App Store. If you're looking to interact more dynamically with your customers or gather data effectively on your Shopify site, you've come to the right place. We're going to make the process simple and straightforward so that by the end of this video, you'll have a clear path forward. So let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to the Shopify website. Go ahead and open your browser and type in Shopify's website address to get started. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're new to the platform. You can find everything you'll need to manage your store, but today, our focus is on enhancing its functionality with forms. Once you're on Shopify's homepage, it's time to head over to the Shopify App Store. You can easily find the App Store through the main menu. The Shopify App Store is an excellent resource full of tools to enhance your online store, so feel free to explore its offerings if you have the time. For today's purpose, in the search bar, type in Shopify Forms. This is the tool we're going to use to add that interactive layer to your website. After searching, you should see the app titled Shopify Forms among the results. Click on it and then click Install to add it to your suite of Shopify tools. Installation usually goes swiftly, but be sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any delays. Once you've installed Shopify Forms, it's time to start creating. Simply click on Create Form and you'll be brought to a screen with options for different form types. Here, you can choose between creating a pop-up form or an inline form based on your needs. While pop-up forms are great for grabbing attention quickly, inline forms are more subtle and blend into the existing page content. Consider what suits your site and customer experience best. You'll then need to input a name for your form. This name should be something descriptive that helps you identify the form's purpose easily. For example, if it's a sign-up form for a newsletter, call it Newsletter Sign-up. After you've chosen your form type and given it a name, click Create to finalize the setup. That's all it takes. Your form is now ready for further customization or deployment on your site. And with that, you're done. You've successfully navigated through setting up a form on Shopify. In the future, as your business grows, you might consider revisiting the Shopify App Store for more applications that could enhance your shop in different ways. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you engage with your customers more effectively. If you have any questions or need additional support, don't hesitate to reach out to Shopify's support team or community forums.